Odawara Automation is an industry-leading designer and manufacturer of innovative machines that automate complex winding for electric motor production. With more than 5 decades of expertise in the automation industry, manufacturers across the globe turn to Odawara for high-speed machines that produce quality stators and armatures. At Odawara Automation, our winding machines are some of the fastest and most advanced in the industry, which means higher throughput for you. We make machines for flyer winding, segment winding, needle winding, insertion winding, and hairpin winding. As a single-source solution, our team will manage the entire project, from concept and engineering to building and implementation. We have one of the most comprehensive and responsive after-sales service and support teams. We can also design and build additional machinery to further improve your manufacturing process. From standalone machines to complete production line, we can do it. At Odawara Automation, you will find our driving principles of quality, safety, functionality, and cost-effectiveness in everything we do. When you need speed, precision, quality, and automation, turn to Odawara for the most advanced electric motor winding machines.